Guess what we doing, y'all? About to go fishing, baby. Got the Purina fish food for chum. Oh yeah. You know what time it is. Moon looking good. That should mean some good water flows. Got them lined up. Trailer check. The shrimp's looking good, y'all. Got 6 dozen. Man, it's a foggy day. And then check this out. I get here, first time coming to this boat ramp. And this sucker still hasn't been repaired from the hurricane. So I got to launch on this side. That's going to be interesting. Now, this is what negative tide look like, boy. It's crazy. So I'm going to have to fish around here until for a little bit till this tide come up. Got an 18-inch trout in the cooler, man. Over here in St. Pete. First time being over here, man. Tampa Bay fishing, baby. Gotta clean this boat engine, y'all. End of the day. Crank that sucker up. Gotta get that salt out of that thing. E6.